Welcome back to today's video. You guys see my little helper, Sienna. She's going to be helping me clean all day today. So we are actually going to power through and we're going to be doing a quick clean of the house today. I'm going to start off by pulling off some of the bed sheets and the duvet. That's got to get washed. And we really have to tidy up kind of around the house. And we're not going to spend too much time. We don't need to do any deep cleaning today. We just need to do a ton of picking up and a ton of putting away. So today's cleaning probably took me only about 45 minutes. I kind of tidied up throughout the upstairs, which wasn't too bad because I did just recently do a deep clean for my daughter's party. We just had her christening this past Sunday. So we had friends and family over and I did a thorough deep clean before that. And so there's really not much to deep clean. Like I said, I'm just going to tidy up the upstairs and head on over the main floor, tidy that up, tidy up the kitchen. And none of this is really hard cleaning. It just has to be done. So I kind of had to muster up some energy today and just go through and power through it. Really necessarily didn't feel like it. It's a little gloomy outside today. And I swear when it's gloomy, I just don't have the same energy as I do when it's sunny. But you know what? Stuff has to get done. And I just have to do it. There's my daughter's beautiful christening gown. I thought it was so pretty. She had a very traditional, very long christening gown. And I was obsessed. She looked so cute. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of 3. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy watching, I'd be grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and checked out some of my other cleaning videos for cleaning motivation. Me and Sienna popped on over into my son's room. And all we really had to do is just kind of quickly make the bed. He didn't have time to make the bed actually this morning because they were kind of in a rush. Schedule changed a little bit for school, so that kind of held him back. But he didn't have time to make his bed. He does many times, I would say. A good chunk of the time he does make his own bed himself. So I'm just going to kind of do that. And I'm going to pick up some of the laundry. He threw some of his dirty stuff on the floor for me. I told him I'd pick it up later on to wash. So he threw all of that for me on the floor, and I'm going to go ahead and pick that up and take it down. I have tons of laundry actually to catch up on today. And that's kind of where I'm going to be spending some of my time, is just doing laundry throughout the day.
I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool.
I want to show you my 7-year-old daughter's room. Her room is clean. She is so good at cleaning it. Rarely do I come in here and it's a mess, but look, everything is just so organized, and she has her bed made. She's so good about making her bed every morning. She really likes having the room clean. She likes to be really organized, so I really love that. My son, most of the time, like I said, has his stuff clean, but he's a boy. He's probably not as great as upholding everything as my daughter is, but he's still really good about it. I will give him that. He's still pretty fairly a clean kid. Now, let me show you how I go out throughout the house. I grab one basket and I pick everything up. And I don't necessarily always go through and kind of sort it and put it back right away. I usually, most of the time, clean everything up so the house is just clean and decluttered, and then I take the basket and put everything away. But right now I'm just going to do that right away because I have a little more things to kind of pick up around the kitchen, so I don't want to forget about this.
I know. Are you thinking about us too? 'Cause I don't know. Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh? I don't even know what it feels like when your eyes are staring at me. I miss them. I'm about to lose it. All of my friends telling me to leave for the night. It's for the best. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? Are you missing it just like I do? Are you worried about me too? 'Cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, eh?
So while I have the stains soaking in the bed sheets, waiting to go into the washer, I'm going to tidy up the kitchen, put everything away, clear off the countertops. And this is the area that I'm going to just like reorganize. I did some grocery shopping, got some fresh fruit last night. I'm going to throw that into a bowl, get that ready for the kids so that when they come home, they have access to some fresh fruit, and basically unload the dishwasher and reload the dishwasher with some dirty plates, get that going, and just kind of get the house prepared so that when my kids come home from school, everything is clean, it's organized, and they are walking into a fresh environment.
About you, baby.
if you've seen some of my previous videos at our old house, then you would know that I hardly ever used the dishwasher at that house. We had a like full blown like bar area downstairs, kind of used as a second kitchen. So there was no dishwasher in the basement, but we had a dishwasher on the first floor, and I honestly never really used it. I always hand washed everything. It was just easier. And in this house, I am definitely always using the dishwasher. It is just, I throw everything in there, and I wait to fill it up. End of the night, I always turn it on, and it has actually made my life so much easier. Now, my house is a lot larger than the last one was. So I just don't have the same amount of time. So everything is about kind of cutting back on time and how long it takes, making my cleaning a lot more efficient. And the dishwasher is definitely helping do that.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Yeah, these city lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
I am a stickler about having my whites be bright white. That is something I just love. White bed sheets. I love white pillowcases now, and they have to be white. I don't like when they're gray. I don't like when they're yellowed out. So just like a tip and trick that I would recommend, is I always wash all of my white bedding or white sheets or white clothes on the hottest setting. I have a steam setting in my new washer, so we're doing that. I always wash my whites with bleach, never without. You can put detergent in there, and then I'm just going to throw in some borax into the washer directly. I'm also going to take some bluing solution. I think this is called like Mrs. White's or whatever. You can find this on Amazon. Mix it in with a little bit of water, and I actually throw this in the fabric. Oh, Mrs. Stewart's. I actually throw this into the fabric compartment, fabric softener compartment, and let that run through the wash. That kind of helps, keep the whites brighter. And I love this stuff.
I can see what we are, don't know where we belong. Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know if something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to fill my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we for now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story?
So I bought on Amazon some chair covers for the plastic folding chairs, and I threw them all into the dining room here. I'm going to go ahead, they're all clean, and I'm going to actually put them into this little storage area that I have. On the side, I have a separate closet that I kind of I have a lot of returns in there, and I'm going to deal with that on a whole different day. And I have the box with all of the other original chair covers. I'm not going to do that right now. For now, I'm just going to kind of shove it in there because tomorrow I have to pretty much unload this entire closet and go make a ton of returns. So I will organize this tomorrow. I just don't really want to deal with it now, nor do I have the time. Lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and fold this runner as well and put this into the buffet. I hope you guys got a ton of cleaning motivation and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. I love hearing from everyone and seeing how your day is going and seeing and hearing if you guys got some cleaning motivation.